Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Welcome to Random Projects with Sam. More WPL action for you. I decided to upgrade my motor because after adding all that weight in the last video, the OEM motor was just struggling. The upgrade didn't happen as I'd like. Come along for my RC adventure. In my last video, I mentioned to use less permanent screw lock because in this engine modification, I just destroyed the threads of a truss and a drivetrain, a grub screw, not to mention the 3 screw heads I twisted off. Long story short, I ended up ordering an M3 tap and fixing everything I didn't replace. So the MaxMetal gearbox with 2 speeds that I ordered did not work very well with the metal tie rods that I put in last episode. They were just too close, and the shifter wouldn't work. The servo that actually does the shifting, wouldn't fit in between the trusses, tie rods rather. So I had to unscrew them and try and mount them on the outside. I was also going to extend that central truss attachment just by using screws, which would probably bend in the long run. So I wasn't very pleased with the upgrade choices that I had made. So I ended up just trying to lump along, and I stripped out a bunch of screws, and it was not a fun ordeal, but I managed to get pretty far along the way installing the 2-speed gearbox. modify this a little bit to get the hatch all the way down. So I have to mark where to cut this ABS. Luckily it's not going to be visible. That's just going to be there. And then check with the top. Oh, and this is my, I designed and printed this myself. The link to my Thingiverse account is going to be in the thing below, so you can check that out, and all my other 3D models, which I'm kind of new at doing. But this is based off of some other guy's 3D part that I then kind of pilfered and modified quite a bit. So that is that. I'll give him credit on my Thingiverse page if you wanted to check his original out. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to mark off where to cut here, and then I'll give it a cut. unscrewing. I ended up totally destroying these bed screw-on plates, whatever. So I'm probably gonna cut those off, print something up, and glue it on there. What a way to end the video. Well, sorry I don't have any more footage, but yeah, this was kind of a tricky one to do because I was back and forth and taking things apart, and it would have just been a really long montage. Nonetheless, the truck is now at least off the bench. I'll put another video out for that flange attachment, and I'll put that piece up on Thingiverse. But, you know, I wanted to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And as always, have a great day.